An electric nail stapler gun is a versatile tool that makes fastening wood, fabric, and other materials quick and effortless. Whether for home DIY projects, upholstery work, or professional use, it delivers precision and saves time compared to manual staplers. To help you choose, here are the best 5 electric nail stapler guns that combine power, durability, and ease of use. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Tasp MESG45 Electric Nail Stapler Gun. Small projects often call for a tool that is lightweight, simple to use, and designed to make everyday tasks easier, and this compact electric stapler fits that role perfectly. Running on 230 volts with a modest 45 W of input power, it may not be the most powerful tool in the workshop, but its true strength lies in precision and convenience. Weighing only 0.6 kilograms, it feels comfortable in hand and can be used for long stretches without fatigue, making it ideal for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and hobbyists who want quick results without heavy equipment. The design is geared toward versatility in light-duty applications. It handles staples ranging from 8 to 14 millimeters and nails up to 14 millimeters, giving just the right range for tasks like attaching thin foil, fixing soft wood panels, or securing upholstery. That makes it a reliable assistant for craft projects, small-scale renovation work, or even decorative setups around the home. With a nailing speed of 30 per minute, it offers efficiency for routine jobs, keeping work smooth without requiring the force of a professional-grade tool. Ease of use is a highlight here. The tool starts quickly, requires little effort to operate, and is powered by a standard VDE plug, ensuring compatibility with most European outlets. Its compact body allows it to fit easily into drawers, toolboxes, or shelves, always ready to be pulled out when needed. Unlike heavy-duty construction staplers that can be overwhelming, this machine is approachable for beginners while still being dependable enough for regular household use. Performance is consistent when applied to its intended materials. Thin foil, paper, and soft woods like pine are secured neatly without splitting or damage. Upholstery jobs become far less tedious since the stapler drives evenly and reliably, keeping fabric tight and smooth. For DIY enthusiasts, it provides that satisfying balance between functionality and simplicity, delivering clean results without overcomplicating the task. While it's not built for heavy construction or industrial use, that limitation is exactly what makes it such a practical tool for everyday home needs. It brings confidence to smaller projects, letting you work with speed and comfort while maintaining professional-looking finishes. Pros: lightweight design, easy operation, compact size, consistent results. Cons: low power, limited range. Number 4. Fujiwara FUJ-DF30C Electric Nail Stapler Gun. When woodworking projects call for speed and reliability, a dependable nail gun can completely transform the experience. And this electric nail stapler from Fujiwara is built to deliver just that. Its lightweight, portable design makes it incredibly easy to carry and maneuver, whether you're working in a small home workshop, tackling DIY repairs, or moving between job sites. The compact build keeps fatigue to a minimum, allowing you to work longer without feeling weighed down, which is especially helpful when handling larger projects that demand endurance. The power source is simple yet effective, drawing directly from electricity to ensure consistent performance every time you pull the trigger. Unlike manual tackers that demand repetitive force, this electric nail gun keeps the workflow smooth and efficient, giving you the confidence that each nail is driven securely and evenly. For anyone who values speed without sacrificing quality, it's a reliable assistant for both novice woodworkers and experienced hands. Ergonomics are another strong point. Designed with user comfort in mind, the handle fits naturally into the hand, offering steady grip and precise control. That makes it approachable for beginners who may be hesitant about power tools, while still offering the control and efficiency professionals expect. Its user-friendly nature ensures that setup and operation don't feel intimidating, allowing you to focus on the actual task rather than fumbling with complicated adjustments. What truly sets this tool apart is its versatility. It supports a wide range of nails, including F15, F20, F25, and F30 straight nails, as well as 415J through 422J nails, covering an impressive range of fastening needs. The dual-use design extends that flexibility further by accommodating both single-use and double-use functions, giving you adaptability whether you're securing thin materials or fastening sturdier wood. This wide compatibility means one tool can replace several others, simplifying your toolkit without limiting your capabilities. In action, the Fujiwara nail gun proves itself as a balanced blend of portability, strength, and ease of use. It may not be built for heavy-duty construction sites, but for woodworking, furniture assembly, and home renovation projects, it provides efficiency and accuracy with every shot. Lightweight yet reliable, it's a tool designed to make fastening tasks faster, cleaner, and far more enjoyable. Pros: lightweight body, versatile nails, ergonomic grip, consistent power. Cons: not heavy-duty, corded reliance. Number 3. Erwerk 1022J Electric Nail Stapler Gun. Fastening jobs often demand a tool that combines raw power with precision and ease, and this electric nail stapler makes a strong impression right from the start. Compact yet robust, it is powered by an impressive 1800 to 2000 watts, ensuring it has more than enough strength to drive staples quickly and securely into wood and similar materials. The 1-to-6 gear adjustment adds versatility, giving you full control over power output depending on the task at hand. Whether you're working on delicate decorative projects or tackling sturdier woodworking needs, this adaptability keeps performance sharp and consistent. One of the most appealing aspects is how portable it feels despite its strength. At just 1.5 kilograms, it strikes a comfortable balance between light handling and heavy performance. The small size makes it easy to carry, maneuver, and store, while its ergonomic design ensures it sits comfortably in the hand, reducing strain during longer sessions. This portability, combined with high power, creates a tool that feels equally suited for quick DIY fixes and extended renovation work. The stapler is also engineered for quieter operation, producing low working noise that makes it suitable for indoor use in residential areas. That subtle touch makes a big difference when working at home, avoiding the disruptive roar often associated with high-powered tools. With a maximum staple speed of 45 pieces per minute, it doesn't just handle tasks efficiently, it keeps the workflow smooth, letting you complete projects quickly without compromising accuracy. Versatility shines through in its wide compatibility, with staple sizes ranging from 1010J up to 1022J. This range covers a variety of fastening needs, from securing thin materials to anchoring sturdier wood sections, making it an all-in-one solution for many different woodworking or upholstery projects. With 300 nails included, it's ready to use straight out of the box, saving time and ensuring you can dive into work immediately. Overall, this stapler blends innovation, portability, and efficiency into a package that feels thoughtfully designed for modern woodworking. It is not just powerful, it's convenient, reliable, and practical, making it a must-have tool for DIY enthusiasts and home renovators alike. Pros: powerful motor, adjustable speed, lightweight body, wide staple range. Cons: corded design, limited to staples. Number 2. Heimerdinger LB209 Electric Nail Stapler Gun. Cordless convenience often defines modern power tools, and this 18 volts nailer and stapler gun brings that freedom to woodworking, DIY, and renovation projects with impressive efficiency. Designed to be compatible with Makita Heimerdinger batteries, it eliminates the constant restriction of cords while still delivering the strength needed for serious fastening tasks. With its 2-in-1 function, it works seamlessly as both a nailer and a stapler, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. What makes it stand out immediately is the balance of speed and endurance. In single-fire mode, it drives up to 60 nails per minute, while continuous mode ramps that speed up to 100 nails per minute, perfect for covering larger areas quickly. Pair that speed with a capacity of 1200 nails on a fully charged 18 volts 4.0Ah battery, and you get not just performance, but staying power that allows uninterrupted work sessions. Whether you're building, repairing, or upholstering, it ensures projects are finished efficiently without frequent downtime for recharging. The binding capacity supports F50 and 9032 K432 nails with 100 nails per load, making it flexible enough to handle various fastening needs. Having the option to use it across different projects, from light woodworking to moderate construction or furniture assembly, increases its overall usefulness. This adaptability makes it a tool that both hobbyists and professionals will appreciate, as it can shift roles without requiring a second machine. Practicality is woven into its design, with multiple purchase combinations available, whether you need just the body plus a battery, or the body with 2 batteries for extended use. You can choose the package that best suits your needs. This modular approach ensures you're not locked into buying extras you don't need, but still have the option to expand when required. The thoughtful inclusion of 500 nails means you can start using it immediately, testing out its capabilities without waiting for additional supplies. In action, it proves itself to be fast, reliable, and surprisingly easy to handle for a cordless tool. While it carries the weight of a battery-powered device, the absence of cords more than compensates, offering mobility and flexibility that makes a noticeable difference in tight or awkward workspaces. For anyone looking to simplify nailing and stapling tasks without sacrificing speed or power, this tool feels like a smart and modern choice. Pros: cordless freedom, dual function, high speed, strong capacity. Cons: battery weight. Number 1, and the winner is Patuopro F30G electric nail stapler gun. For anyone who loves the freedom of cordless tools without sacrificing power, this electric nail stapler immediately catches the eye. Built with a high-power copper wire motor, it delivers strong, penetrating force and fast, continuous nailing speed, making it ideal for both small and demanding tasks. Unlike traditional nail guns that rely on wires, gas, or compressors, this battery-powered tool lets you work untethered while still providing full firing power. Its design ensures nails go in cleanly and consistently, without jams, while easily handling hardwood and various other materials. One-click nailing makes every shot effortless, turning what would normally be a tedious job into a smooth and satisfying process. The ergonomic handle and extra-large trigger add another layer of comfort, letting you maintain control even during extended projects. Anti-slip features make it easier to hold, reducing fatigue and wrist strain, which is crucial when dealing with heavy or prolonged work sessions. For DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the combination of comfort and power translates into faster, cleaner results, without the discomfort that often comes with repetitive nailing. Versatility is a standout feature of this tool. From home decoration projects and carpentry to cabinet renovations, ceiling fixing, frame construction, and even water pipe installation, it handles a broad spectrum of tasks. It is as capable with delicate upholstery work as it is with more demanding roofing or framing jobs, making it an essential addition to any workshop or household toolkit. This adaptability saves time, space, and effort, since one tool can cover almost every nailing and stapling need. Safety is built in thoughtfully. 2 protective mechanisms, the on-off switch and contact safety, prevent accidental firing, ensuring that nails are only discharged when the tool is pressed fully against a surface. This feature gives peace of mind when working around family, pets, or in tight spaces, making the tool both practical and safe. Supporting nails from F10 to F30, it accommodates a wide variety of fastening requirements, giving you flexibility without additional tools. Overall, this cordless brushless stapler combines mobility, strength, and safety in a way that makes DIY and professional woodworking projects faster, easier, and more enjoyable. It's a reliable companion for almost any task, helping transform ideas into polished results with minimal effort. Pros: cordless design, powerful motor, ergonomic grip, versatile use. Cons: battery not included. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.